Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be talking about my most recent purchase, which is this iPhone SE 2016, the one which was kind of like the iPhone 5. So why did I buy this? Well, that's a good question, especially if you have not watched every single video on my channel. This might be a question you might be out asking. So yeah, I mean, I don't think there is anyone except me who actually watched every single video, but like if you did, comment down below. Thank you for that. Yeah, let's get on to the video. So I bought this because my friend actually told me that as an Arch user, as an Android user, I am not able to use the simplicity, the peasantry, which is iPhone. But you know what? I wanted to prove him wrong, and we actually bet on a Twix Extra. So if you don't know that, I'll have it on the screen. Yeah. So it's just like it's like a small bet, so it's not something too insane. But yeah, now all right, today is actually the 21st of April, so the challenge is to actually hold on to this phone and actually daily drive it for a month. And yeah, I think I will succeed because like as of now, there has actually been no issue with this phone aside from the occasional like charging issue. Which is, I mean, not the charging issue, but the battery life issue, which is because my actual phone, which is an A51, a Galaxy A51, actually holds charge for 2 days with my use case. This thing, though, it uses it doesn't even like last a day, so that is not issue. Though I might say today I went for a 150-kilometer bike ride, which is not something I do every day, and I had like maps, Spotify, a voice call, basically a lot of stuff open, and I also uploaded like Instagram stuff. So yeah, um, it was not a special. It was quite a special day in terms of the days like I go through. So yeah, in that case, I think I can. I think I'm gonna be able to actually daily drive this, and the battery life might not be an issue because today is the day that it would have been an issue, even on my phone. It could have been an issue on my phone. I think if I came back home today, I wouldn't have greater than 50%. So yeah, that's basically when I have the limit set to the charging limit set to 80. If you have like more than 40, I just like I stop charging for the next day as well. So yeah, in that case, it seems as though I will be able to actually complete this thing. And from my experience, actually, iOS is quite good. Actually, it might be because I already use iOS previously on this. This is my iPhone 5, which I do have like a video showing how to install older versions of apps on it. So yeah, when you know how like when you install apps on iOS 6, which is the operating system on this thing, yeah, it really doesn't like it when you don't have it in your purchases and you want to download an app which has a newer version. But yeah, there is a fix to it, and if you do want to go watch it, it has like, and also make sure to check the description down below because there is quite a serious mistake I made. I mean, it's not a mistake, honestly. It was back then that worked, but I mean, a few months later on, it started not working because they actually removed the website. It was some kind of Japanese website which held like strings of letters, which is now in a Google Drive, which is fine. And yeah, all in all, I do like the iOS experience. Disregard the theme. It I'm just like closing my carrier, so I don't want to edit like stuff onto it. So yeah, that's basically it. about this video and about this iPhone. The grayscale is also another challenge I'm actively in, which is monochromacy week. Yeah, I have like a few challenges on top of each other. It's quite of a challenge. So yeah, I will have like status updates of what I'm doing with this iPhone and how the progress is going. I'll show you what exactly I had. And in the end of the month, so on the 21st of May, I will also include a video which is gonna show you my overall like conclusion of actually daily driving an iPhone, and that for that matter an iPhone SE in 2025, which the SE is like on iOS 15, just to be sure. So if you didn't know that, yeah, so it's quite a outdated version. So it came out like what, in 2022, but it did have like minor releases until like late last year, I think December. And yeah, I hope to see you in the next video. By the way, don't look at this. This is the next video. This it is an actual working pair of Sennheisers, which I got from the used market here, and they actually sound better. They perform better in terms of balance. And yeah, they're overall better. And I'm really mad at Sennheiser. And that's why I'm actually going to expose them this time. Bye!